Hi, I'm Sonal. In this COVID-19, I felt that it is essential that we all know the power of self-healing. I was wondering when the hospitals are closed and people are unable to step out of their house, it must be really difficult to handle patients at home. So, besides the doctor's prescription, I believe if I am able to share small information or knowledge, whatever I have, I'll be really glad. And this is what I feel is my purpose of life. I was recently reading a news where patients suffering with leukemia, they were really facing big time trouble in hunting down for hospitals or help with regards to a lot of aspects of blood transfusion or a number of things. Now imagine you have a patient in the house and you don't know what are you supposed to do. There are small tricks and trips that you could do. Just take a small bowl of water, normal water, and add a handful of salt. Keep that bowl near the patient and try cleaning that patient's energy. So how would you clean the energy? You imagine you have salt in your hand and then you just remove the negative energy and you dispose of that in water. You do one or two, maybe if the patient could go for a bath, then add a handful of salt. Even if you don't want to do anything, just put a glass of bowl of water with salt and just pray, keep chanting, and let that person feel your positive energy. Now, the most important part comes here, and I have experienced this personally. So, I am sharing this. My humble request is this can work as an alternative healing therapy. Please do not stop medicines, please don't stop contacting doctor. However, scientifically it is proved that every cell of human body, it is replaced. So the old cell dies and it is replaced by new cell. Now imagine this is an old cell and that's a new cell. Old cell dies and before it dies it transfers memory to the new cell. Now how can we rework on subconscious mind? For example, a patient suffering with cancer, um, carcinoma, in particular organ, and you know this is the organ. If you read MRI reports or PET CT reports, X-ray reports or doctor's reports, go to Google and just visualize how does that organ looks like. Okay, and then visualize that your hand is full of white froth. Now what kind of froth? Let's say when we wash clothes, we add water to a bucket of water. We add little uh, washing powder, and then we swirl our hand. And imagine your hand is full of a white froth. You visualize, just visualize, close your eyes, and then visualize your hand is going into the organ, and you're replacing that negative cell. You remove that negative emotion, memory that the cell is unwell, and put it down in salt water. Gradually you will see that the old cell memory will deplete and the new cells which will come, I am sure about this, that the new cell will forget that there is any kind of pain in that old organ, or in that part. There are miracles which happens in life. We all are being blessed. I feel that I am blessed. This is my second chance in life, my second life. And I have done this self-hypnosis. So we visualize your hand full of froth, white energy, white light. Just replace negative emotion and feed positive affirmation. You're fine, you're beautiful, you're amazing, we love you, this is a beautiful life, forgive yourself, forgive everybody. Just keep using positive affirmation. Okay, now how does this work? Let's say I have a cut or a bruise on my hand and I normally apply just a normal ointment. After a few days you will see the skin starts healing itself. So the upper skin will get dried and it will be peeled off, and the fresh skin starts developing from the lower side, from the second layer of skin. In the same way, cells will start regenerating. Okay, now I am sure there are people who will disagree with me because they don't understand in energy, they don't believe in energy. So I was listening to The Secret, and all these popular book writers, authors, and motivational speakers, they say, you don't understand electricity or magnetic field, but it does exist. In the same way, energy and healing power exist. Now, what is energy? So, energy is E is equal to mc square. Energy is constant. It is transferred from one person to another, and it is always transferred from higher to lower. Now, we receive energy from sunlight, water, earth, trees, and people or kids around us. Try to visualize positive energy that you receive from universe and try to heal the patient in your house. Now, not only healing the patient would help you, however, cleaning your house and healing your house with positive energy would also help. So when you clean your house, when you mop the floor, add little salt in the water, or fill a glass bowl of water a glass bowl full of salt and put it in a top corner of the house somewhere in your living room. All the negative energy will be absorbed, and after a week you can replace the salt. Trust me, try these small tips, and we all are praying for each and every one across the world, whoever is unwell, whoever is going through emotional pain, depression, stress. This is the only solution that we have: to be grateful, to seek for forgiveness, and to ensure that we heal ourselves. And healing begins with healing our emotions. So when we are emotionally positive, when we like ourselves, when we love ourselves, everything will be taken care. So COVID-19 has taught us that please don't worry about the world. Just take care of yourself, and the divine energy is healing itself. So let's utilize this time and do something better for us. Thank you.